Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Docker images with Cosign signature verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Docker installed on your machine. Check that you have Cosign installed. If not, download it from the official GitHub repository. Once installed, open your terminal. Before verifying images, you need to set up a Docker image that has been signed. To do this, first, create a Docker image using a simple Docker file. Build the Docker image by running the command docker build tmyimage latest. After building the image, sign it using Cosign. Run the command cosign sign my image latest. Follow the prompts to complete the signing process. Once signed, the next step is to verify the image. To do this, run the command cosign verify my image latest. Cosign will request the public key for verification. If you sign the image without a key, Cosign will still verify the signature if it exists in the metadata. You can also verify images using a specific public key with the command cosign verify key public.key my image latest. If the verification fails, review the output for errors. In case of issues, ensure that the public key matches the private key used for signing. You can also check the image repository for any associated signatures. Using a CI/CD pipeline, incorporate Cosign verification for automated security checks. This ensures only verified images are deployed in your environments. Continue monitoring updates to Cosign for any new features or improvements. With this guide, you now know how to verify Docker images using Cosign. By following these steps, you enhance the security and trustworthiness of your Docker images. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.